These days, it only takes a couple of scrolls to find someone who has posted an artwork that they put their sweat and tears into. And then a couple of more scrolls in the comment section to find someone calling their art AI. This has led to many artists now posting more behind the scenes of their work. I'm talking time-lapse, Photoshop layers, the fucking wireframes, and putting so much effort into simply proving that the work they did is truly something that they did. But apparently, it's still not enough. It reminds me of the days when movies started implementing CGI and movie producers would try to tell everyone there was no CGI used and everything was done practically in a movie that clearly did use CGI. I mean, we've all seen the Tom Cruise clip.
Asking this, but we got to do all the jets practical. No CGI in the jets. I'm saying right now, no CGI in the jet.
For some reason, people really hated CGI back then. Even though the CGI back then looked so much better than what we have right now.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
Because big corporations like Marvel don't want to equip their artists with the time and budget required for achieving that level of quality. And I think soon enough we will see the same thing but with AI. So get yourself ready for the, yeah, this was made with 100% human-made VFX and zero use of generative AI. AI also made finding a freelance job harder because people don't value art anymore. When we have big companies like Coca-Cola who would do anything to save even a small fraction of their income, even if the cost is putting out garbage like this, what do you expect? Even the jobs that you do manage to get don't really pay you that much, unless you get lucky enough and get a high-end luxury brand as your client. Keyword, lucky. Believe me, as much as I hate this loser mindset, if we're being real, there is a lot. And I mean a lot of competition. Like, this is why you should quit 3D, dog.
Too many sweats.
So good luck trying to keep the job that you already have. Cause it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Back then, people used to actually give a shit. Now, motherfuckers don't even download images from Google. Like, does everything need to be generated? And don't get me started on the people who are making a profit out of other people's work. Absolutely disgusting. In an older video that I made about AI, I said that it is possible to use AI in your work in order to have some chance of landing a client. I also mentioned that even though it's a possibility, it still wouldn't solve all of our problems, as AI would just make the whole process of making art itself less enjoyable or downright meaningless. With all this said and all the rants aside, I think I came up with a solution to all of this, and I'm currently making a video about that solution. I believe it's going to be pretty interesting, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, bye, see ya.